to the narrow, but I'll be here forever. I'm the new Sinatra, and since I made it here, I could make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me anywhere. From Harlem, under my Dominicanos, big and ballin', but like back there, that McDonald's, 68th Street, whooping pastries. And right, Lexus, driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Yeah, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home with that boy Biggie. And I brought my boys with me. They be sipping my ties. Thinks the next give me high fives. Tell them that I'm most definitely from New York. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Think lights will inspire you. Let's hear it for New York, New York, New York. Yeah, I make them more famous than the Yankee cat. I'm doing bleed blue. Blood, I'm not a crypto, but I got a gang of niggas walking with my click though. Hip hop, holler back. Alright, my co-workers are coming, so I'm gonna end this one short.